freezing out, and I just went and checked my hose bibs. Probably should have been checking them every day, but I especially checked them today because I left my garage door open, and well, one of my hose bibs froze over and was not dripping. I'll show you. Was not dripping at all. Okay, and I got my drill and my hole saw. I measured from where the wall was, and then 16 inches here and 32 inches there, so I knew where in between the wall was, and I just went in just enough to get the sheetrock out, and then I took my wife's hair dryer and stuck it in the hole, turned this all the way on so that once it started to flow I could hear it. Now I got to monitor this and make sure that the pipe's not leaking. But yeah, and be real careful with this. What I did was I saw the pipe here and I felt that it's insulated, and I felt this and I could hold this, so I knew it wouldn't be too hard, and I shoved it in there just far enough so that it would push against it a little bit, but then also that it wouldn't melt this. So just understand, like, touch this every now and then, see if this is too hot to touch. If it's too hot to touch, it's going to melt your foam. All right, hope that's helpful. Make sure to stuff that, close it back up. I hope that helps. Peace.